Are you looking for the best remodeler in the Arcadia area of the Phoenix metro space? Well, understand that Arcadia homes, mid century ranches, brick ranches, and post war builds along the Camelback Corridor are some of the most character rich properties in the Phoenix metro area. So, most of the whole home projects here involve the kitchen, one or more bathrooms, and the main living area, often in a phased construction sequence that keeps the home livable during work. So we handle room by room sequencing, cabinetry selection, countertops, tile, plumbing fixtures, upgrades, layout reconfiguration, flooring throughout, and a 3D design approved before any demolition begins. The scope of work and the price are both locked before construction starts. And so, to learn more about this type of approach for a whole home project in the Arcadia area, I highly recommend you scheduling an in home evaluation, but first having a discovery call with our remodel expert to better understand what we can do for your home and see if it's a good fit.